gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Red Magic 8S Pro Bumblebee limited edition phone just launched before 2 days. Fast refresh rate, AMOLED display, under the display selfie camera, flagship grade processor, latest cooling elements and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Red Magic 8S Pro Bumblebee edition gaming phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. Introducing the brand new 2023 Bumblebee limited edition gaming phone. It features a cool black Emperor logo and Bumblebee's genuine license come from Sea Treasure and Triple B and Red Magic. The Red Magic have launched several models recently and this Transformer custom phone is perfect for fans. The phone comes in a different colors including Bumblebee's yellow and black scheme, along with the Optimus Prime and Megatron themes. The red star number B127 and art illustration of Bumblebee add to its charm. This phone is filled with the special elements, making it a must-have for the Transformers fans. It includes a metal nameplate that you can pin to your clothes or hat. The accessories also includes the data cable with an extra black cable and a magnetic heat dissipation protective case with the Popeye logo of the Autobots. The charger is top-notch and the phone itself has a custom design features. It's all about sincerity and not just a simple color change. The product manuals are also designed with the high wind elements. In a nutshell, this Bumblebee limited edition gaming phone is a perfect blend of the Transformation IP and unique features. Today let's take a closer look at our protagonist, the yellow and the black Bumblebee themed gaming phone. If you are a fan of the Bumblebee, you will find it very familiar and dazzling. This is a limited transparent version of the Red Magic gaming mobile blade, designed with the great attention to detail. On the back, there are lenses circle with the decorative rings, and the back plate has a translucent design showing the elements of the Transformer Bumblebee. You will notice logos like BB and Popeye and the Star Race logo and this Iris logo, along with the high-speed centrifugal fan for the cooling, giving the phone a high-tech look. The side features a matte metal border and the textured mode switch button, which bright yellow highlights to create a harmonious and the unified color scheme. The phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack for the fast and smooth gaming. It also has an active cooling fan vent on the both sides to dissipate heat quickly during the intense gaming session. The Bumblebee theme continues throughout the phone's interface with the black and yellow icon and the browser. By switching to a light background and turning off the dark mode, the phone's full screen becomes even more appealing, eliminating any obsessive compulsive disorder concern. In summary, this Bumblebee themed gaming phone is not only stunning to look at but also designed with the gamers in mind, making it a top choice for the gaming enthusiast. The whole machine has a partial refresh rate display supporting 3 gears 60, 90 and 120 Hz. The status bar shows the current refresh rate in the real time, which may seem a bit unusual to some users. Some people might wonder why there isn't a hole in the front screen for the camera. Well, the Red Magic has a unique solution for this. They can dig a hole for the camera precisely where you want it. This means you can have a camera opening tailored to your preferences, giving you full control. Not only can they dig a regular hole, but they can also customize it further. You can get a colored hole like a RGB hole with a different colors such as the blue and green. Let's briefly cover the other parts of the phone. If you want a more detail, you can check out the video of the Red Magic 8S Pro mentioned in the description section. Some people might find it strange when it comes to the heat dissipation backlight, but don't worry, the solution is very simple. They have designed a customized metal magnetic protective case. This case has a signature Popeye logo and a translucent mechanized design. When you install this case on your phone, it provides excellent heat dissipation, making it much cooler during the high-end gaming session. With this magnetic protective case, you no longer need to worry about using the clamper or other complicated methods. It's much more convenient, allowing you to enjoy the extended gaming session without any overheating issues. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Yeah, I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine. Yeah, about to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life.